Hello guys and welcome to different Russia channel. We are in Pushkino city, Moscow region, the big shopping plaza Pushkino Park, and here is Leroy Merlin Pushkino. We are still looking for the tiles, and we had bad luck in the nearest local shops that sell tiles, whether the quality is very poor, or they do not have enough, or they do not have at all the tiles that we need. And Alex decided to go to Leroy Merlin because he says here the quality must be good and the variety is rather big. So hope today we can choose something. We are looking something like this. Alex, how is the quality? You do not like it? No. Why you do not like? They have holes, small holes, yeah?
Ну да,
Show.
она не довибрировала, такое ощущение.
Alex says here small holes and the tile can crack. That is not good. The quality is not good.
Вот тут то же самое, видишь?
You see guys, here is the crack begins to appear. And the price 20 rubles per one tile. That is about, I think, 30 cents. Alex, this one is more expensive. But I think the quality is the same also.
Ну да, она просто цвет покрашен.
Not very good quality. Плитка резиновая. 660. Oh, $10 for one, guys. There is some rubber tile. That is for sports. For sports ground, yeah, Alex? $10. Alex says that he doesn't like. Alex, what we are gonna do? We can choose nothing at all. Dacha season is going on, and a lot of people are choosing something for Dacha. The equipment, the tools. Even the plants. So guys, I would like to show you. We would like to buy something like this. I think this one, Alex. It looks like in Wildberries, yeah? But here, guys, the price is 7,000 rubles. In Wildberries, it is 4,500 rubles, so much cheaper. But here is without the tap.
Не, ну without.
This one is plastic, but we ordered with a metal one. I'm waiting, guys, for the delivery. I think it will be like this.
Да.
We decided not to bring water into the house and to put such a, I don't know, such a construction. So here we can add tap water. And over here we will put some bucket, and at least some water we are gonna have inside the house. But to bring all the pipes, all the tubes, so that is rather difficult and problematic at the moment. It takes too much time and money, so we decided to try such a system. I ordered in Wildberries, that is our online, very popular online shop like your Amazon. and we are waiting for the delivery of it.
Whoa!
Yeah, they also have it, but for 1,000.
Oh.
1,200 approximately. Yeah, that is, guys, a very popular Soviet construction. In the Soviet times we had something like this. Very, very simple water system. Yeah. So I ordered 4 of them. And when I get my order, we can choose 2 out of 4 and buy. I will show it to you. This one is with plastic, Alex. Metal, but with plastic. So, what do you think? Not good?
Да нет, это нормально.
What is better, plastic or metal?
Да, не знаю. Не принципиально. Лучше, конечно, металлический. Не регулирую. $25. Алекс, она сейчас сломается. Да, я боюсь.
Не садись. У нее ножка под это.
Йо-хо-хо.
Вот как у меня, только у меня лучше качество.
Ну это да, это вообще. Давай.
So guys, we chose nothing. Now we go inside Leroy just to have a look.
Цены конские.
А, вон еще какие-то образцы. Пойдем посмотрим. Some exhibition stand. And I think that is all that they have. Oh, here it is cheap, Alex. Maybe those are the old prices. So this one is $1, a big size. This one is 30 cents approximately. This one is 50 cents. That is the price for one tile, and that is the price for square meter. So one tile is 50 cents, 1 square meter is about $25.